Switching from having lots of stuff to having less stuff is hard. Just imagine going from owning 100 pairs of shoes to just 10, but it can be done. Today, we're talking about minimalism and how having fewer things can make your life better. So what's minimalism? It's about having only what you need and love and getting rid of everything else. Think about all the stuff you have that just sits there, taking up space and making life feel crowded. Minimalism says, let's clear that out. Living minimally means having less clutter, less stress, and more time and energy for the things that truly matter to you. Instead of spending time organizing things you don't even use, you can focus on what makes you happy. That's the power of minimalism. If you're used to having a lot of stuff, going minimal might feel overwhelming, but don't stress. Here's how to ease into it. Start small. Instead of trying to change everything at once, begin with one small area, like a drawer or a closet. This helps you get used to having less and figure out what things truly matter to you. As you make progress, you can expand to other parts of your life. Take it step by step, and soon you'll find yourself living more simply and feeling lighter. Another great way to ease into minimalism is by finding a buddy to join you. Making big lifestyle changes is tough, but it's way more enjoyable when you have someone by your side. Having a friend to share the journey with not only makes it more fun, but also keeps you motivated. You can bounce ideas off each other and figure out what works best for both of you. You can team up with a friend or family member who's also interested in minimalism. Challenge each other to simplify your lives and support each other along the way. If one of you starts to slip, the other can provide a helpful nudge back on track. Together, you can make the transition to minimalism a lot smoother. And don't forget to set priorities as well. That's one of the coolest parts of minimalism. It helps you zero in on what truly matters to you. Take a moment to think about what brings you the most joy and what you value the most. By setting priorities, you'll know what's worth keeping in your life and what you can let go of. Plus, it makes it easier to say no to things that don't fit your goals and values. So take some time to figure out what lights you up. So let's talk mindset. Adjusting your mindset is also crucial. Minimalism isn't just about having fewer things, it's a whole new way of looking at stuff and life. It's about finding happiness in what you already own, cherishing experiences more than things, and honing in on what matters to you. If you're diving into minimalism, you've got to adjust your mindset. That means ditching the idea that more stuff equals more happiness and shifting your focus to what truly brings you joy. Think about experiences over possessions. Instead of splurging on stuff, why not invest in adventures? Spend your time and money on things that make your heart sing, like exploring new places, learning cool skills, or picking up a fun hobby. That's where the real richness lies. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel if you are enjoying the content. Okay, here's the deal. Let go of chasing perfection. When you're starting your minimalism journey, it's tempting to aim for flawless decluttering and organization right off the bat. But guess what? There's no such thing as a perfect minimalist, and that's fine. Minimalism isn't about being flawless, it's about finding what suits you best. So don't stress over every little detail. Focus on making small changes that make a big difference in your life. Just keep moving forward doing your thing and you'll get there. Now, on to another good tip. Make time for quiet. Life's pretty hectic these days, right? However, embracing silence and calmness is crucial for minimalism. Sure, slowing down might feel strange if you're used to a busy lifestyle, but trust me, quiet time is vital for your mental and emotional health. Schedule a bit of alone time every day or week. Use it to meditate, write in a journal, read a book, or simply take a peaceful stroll in nature. It'll do wonders for you. Just remember to be grateful. When you take a moment to appreciate what you have, it becomes easier to let go of what you don't need. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already there, boosting your overall happiness. Try to set aside some time each day to think about what you're thankful for. You'll be amazed at how much joy this simple practice can bring. Now let's simplify your wardrobe. Many folks wonder, how do I do that? Clothes can clutter up your space, and parting with them isn't always easy. One good trick to streamline your closet and embrace minimalism is to consider a capsule wardrobe. It's a small collection of versatile pieces that you can mix and match to create different outfits. It's like having a mini wardrobe that covers all your bases. Or try the one-in, one-out rule. Every time you buy a new clothing item, donate or sell one from your current wardrobe. It keeps things balanced and prevents clutter from piling up. No matter why you're interested in living a simpler life, transitioning from a world of excess to one of minimalism is doable. Granted, minimalism isn't everyone's cup of tea. Some folks find the idea of having less stressful or overwhelming, and that's okay. Here's the thing. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to minimalist living. You can customize it to suit your needs and preferences. If you've always been surrounded by stuff, shifting to minimalism might feel like a challenge. But let me tell you, the perks are worth it. Embracing minimalism can streamline your life, freeing up time and energy for what truly matters. It's a shift that opens doors to deeper relationships, sparks creativity, and fosters a sense of freedom. So, whether you're curious about minimalism or already on the journey, just know that there's no wrong way to do it. It's about finding what works best for you and living your life accordingly. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, drop a comment down below to let us know your thoughts, and share it with your friends and family. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And while you're at it, why not check out our other videos for more awesome content? Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one.